Hi, we are Shining Stars team. And now we're gonna give you some information about stone. But first, I want you to looking at these images. The pyramids in Giza, burial chambers in the UK, and temples in Malta were all built from stone over 400 years ago and are still standing. The use of stone in construction has declined over the last 100 years, but it remains an aristocrat of building materials. Stone has been used as a building material for thousands of years. It has long been recognized as a material of great durability and superior artistic quality. The foremost choice for buildings associated with status, power, and religion. Being cheap, hard, durable, and naturally good looking. Stones are often used in construction. There are several properties of stones that are controlling their types and qualities. The criteria of selection is based normally on the following general parameters.
1. Chemical compositions of stones. There are huge variations of stone types caused by specific mineralogy and geology conditions. And while any stone can be used for building, they each have constructions that make them more or less suitable for different purposes. Granite, sandstone, and limestone can also be used for building walls, but slate is only suitable for roofs and floors. 2. Strength and hardness of stone. Stones are generally hard material, but it depends on the mineral levels, so should be tested before use.
3. Durability of stone. It's like the most reason that we choose stone when we are designing architecture. Most stones are durable for most conditions, as we can see in pyramids. 4. Resistance to fire. Resistance to fire is an important materials in architecture, and this quality provides usage with
5. Biodeterioration. Certain trees and creepers thrust their roots into the joints of stones and have both mechanical and chemical effects. Special microbes can grow on the surface, and in minute fissures, their byproducts cause discoloration. 6. Appearance of stone. Appearance is the primary requirement for all stones. The color and ability to receive polish are important factors. A stone with uniform and attractive color is durable if grains are. Stones with much iron should be discouraged as iron oxide disfigures them and brings about disintegration. Marble and granite get very good appearance when polished.
Seven, scalability to being quarried in large sizes.
So now I'm talking about stone sink. Natural basins are not industrial product type and carry the colors and patterns of natural building process. Natural stone sinks contain no substances that are harmful to health, safe to use in food-based environments like kitchens, preferred because it's not flammable and doesn't contain any harmful substances. Natural stones are most diverse of colors and structures. The natural stone sinks are unique because most of them are hand-held. Natural stones specially created out by professional stone masters and then made be water resistant through specific insulation process and contribute into the basin structure and ecology, also environmentally friendly. So see how it's
Okay, now we're gonna talk about gabion walls. Gabion walls is used effectively in coastal protection, stream bed reclamation, sculptural areas, rock retaining barriers, preventing landslides in areas with high erosion risk and reducing flood risk, watershed improvement, railway and road application, retaining structures, border fortifications, bridge foot approaches. Gabion walls are wall types that provide economical and aesthetic solutions used to maintain the stability of slope and vertical cuts. There are some advantages of gabion walls. It is much more economical than other applications. Its constructions and assembly is fast. It has high strength. It is easy to repair and maintain. It can be used safely for long years, even around the sea coast and the island. There is no bubble and collapse by showing high resistance to the energy of erosion. It can be used as a good sound, heat, and wind insulator. It is an excellent landscape product in the landscape area, a wide variety of sizes, lighting, coloring, and can be used in different ways.
Now I will talk about fireplaces. When it comes to fireplace design, natural stone is simply the most elegant, durable, and efficient material around. Natural stone retains heat better than other materials, is practically maintenance-free, and is incredibly resistant to wear and tear. On top of that, it can handle extremes in temperature and doesn't suffer from rot and mold like other materials. Natural stone absorbs, stores, and radiates heat, so it can actually improve the efficiency of as the warmth of a fire radiates throughout your space. Natural stone is easy to maintain. Natural stone is one of the world's oldest building materials and is really long-lasting. Natural stone is known for being strong. It can handle wear and tear without falling apart. That's why people use stone in areas that take the most beating, like countertops, floors, bathrooms, and fireplaces.
One of the usage of stone in architecture is stone cladding. Stone cladding is a layer of natural stone applied to the walls, which is generally made of different materials such as concrete. So it meant to reduce the weight of natural stone and also save construction costs. There is process and steps when you're applying cladding process. There is lots of codes. For usage, it can be used lots of ways. At exterior, facades and entrance is a good way to use cladding. For interior, it can be used everywhere, like every part of the building, for different reasons, such as aesthetic or neat. And native to you. Bye.